Are you appearing in CSS exams this year? Have you prepared the most important themes for essay paper? How many essays have you written? The tension on your face and the uncertainty in your heart is understandable. Let's make a last-ditch effort to cover your syllabus of English papers. Our crash course for CSS is your last chance to prepare 10 essays along with the must-have writing skills of Prezi, comprehension and translation. We are offering a 3-week, 15 lectures course for the complete preparation of English subjective part. We will provide you up-to-date notes on the most important topics and will be checking your work thoroughly. Your efforts under our guidance is the perfect formula of success. Join us to fulfill your dream to be a CSP.